Hi everyone, hope so everyone is doing well. This is our final project, so let's go deep inside it. So this is our initial page where user can register themselves. They can do both registration and login itself. So let's go for registration. So let's put my name for the registration and password we can keep anything. Suppose I am keeping 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and we'll go for the registration. So as we can see there, registration has been completed. After the completion of the registration, now we go to the login page. Here we can see we can click on the login page. In login page we use the details which we have registered before. So I kept my name, that is Chandra Bikram, and password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here it comes. This is our main UI page. This is our main page. That's our user interface, which consists of top navigations as well as side navigations with complete notes and tutorials, along with the flashcards, smart chat applications, and many more.
They can prepare for placement training, GATE exams, core tutorials, and many more. For placement training, all the necessary skills like quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and all the common questions that are asked during the interview has been attached here. Suppose I'm opening in this section. This is the section about the common questions that are asked during the interview. As you all know that the first question of interview is tell me about yourself. So all the possible videos which better express answers about tell me about yourself has been attached here, and the student can get better experience from these videos. Suppose I'm playing these videos, so it's working fine.
I still remember my first.
And these are quantity aptitude section. Here we have attached all the best tutorials that are available on the internet. uh, by
Welcome to Quantitative Aptitude
Yes,
video on
it's working. By using these videos we can solve any question within a minute. This is GATE tutorial section. The GATE tutorial section gives a huge benefit to the students who are preparing for GATE. Here we have uploaded all the notebooks as per the GATE syllabus, and the students can download these books from here. Suppose I'm opening this book, that is compiler design, and it's working as I've already shown this in review 1. It's working. And not only the notebook, we have already also uploaded all the tutorials as per the GATE syllabus within our website. These all the students are getting at a single platform. The students don't have to go to different websites for different resources. This is the uniqueness of our website.
We'll come now into the flashcards. Flashcards of our project is used for well thought and well explained solutions where user can interact within themselves. Let's add a question here. Uh, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Obviously, it's a Mount Everest. Let's save it, and later on we can see the answer by clicking in this flashcard. And here is the answer, Mount Everest. We can also delete this flashcard by clicking on delete option here. So this was all about the flashcard. Let's exit from here. Now we'll show the smart gallery of our project. This is our special gallery. which is known as Smart Gallery, where we used to collect the informations, the arts of the students and the memories from this gallery, which is very user friendly and interactive, as we can see here. So this was our Smart Gallery. Now we'll show our Smart Chat application of our project. So this is our Smart Chat application where users can interact within themselves individually as well as in group also. So let's chat with any of the user here. Newton Baba. Hi. So whenever Newton Baba comes online, you will see my message within this website. This is our individual chat applications with user friendly environment. Another one is group chat application, which is used for the users, which is more than one or two or many more within the website. Let's begin the discussions. So my message will be seen by everyone here and we can interact very easily here by everyone. Wherever we can delete this message also here, like see, the message has been removed. So this was our group chat application. So it's all about our smart chat application. Remaining portions of our project will be explained by our teammates.
Important that we have included result management system within our website. From there, the student can know about their results, what result they got, about their classes, everything they can know. So then this website we have divided into two parts. First is admin part, this one admin part, and second one is student side. First one is admin side, and second one is student side. We are giving some power. Admin side we have divided into two parts. One is main admin, and the other is faculty side, a faculty part. The main admin has much more power; he can do anything, and the faculty member has some less power, and the student has only power to see their results. And then in these three sections, we have divided our website. Suppose if the result of first semester has been released, then it will show that first semester result has been released. And if a student is typing his BTU number, that is, I'm typing my own BTU number, and if my result will be published, then it will show here. It will show, and all the marks will also show if the marks will be uploaded here. This time we have not uploaded marks yet. That's why the marks is not showing here. Only the details of the student has been showing here. So this is the student side, it's working fine. And this is the admin side. Here the first I made myself the main admin. I have much more power. I can update result of anyone, I can add any student, I can post any exam. This is the classes section. Here all the subjects are given there. Here we can add more subjects as per our required. We can edit our subject as per our required. So this is the subject section. This is the student section. All the students of first year, second year, we can check the list here. We can edit the student name, we can edit the student batch, we can edit the student year, everything we can do. This is the exam section. Suppose if I want to make this result live, I can make this live, and everyone can see the result of, and everyone can see that the result of sixth semester has been published, and the students of sixth semester only can see their results. If I'm not making this result live, then no one can see their result. This is the user section. User section means the faculty section. These are the list of faculty who are working in the institution, and this is the result section. Suppose a student of 6th semester Chandra Bikram Sai is there, his percentage is 25%. Suppose I want to edit his marks, I want to give him only 80 marks in English because by mistake I put 86. Then I can also edit this. I can also update his marks. Now his marks has become 79% from 85%. So I can do this. And suppose if I am publishing 6th semester result, then Chandra Bikram Shah can saw his result. At this time, the result has not been made live, so Chandra Bikram Shah cannot see his result. So the main admin has all the powers. I'm going to student section. So sorry, I'm going to exam section. Their result is live. I'm making this 6th semester result live. Now the Chandra Bikram Shah can see his result. I will show this later. So this is the main admin part, and now I'm going to show the faculty part. So I have made Chandra Bikram Shah as one of faculty of our institution, and he has only power of result management. He can only add the result of the students, and he can add classes, and he can add exam. These are the power only given to Chandra. And as I have made 6th semester result live, any student can from 6th semester only can go there and see the result. Suppose I know the BTU number of Chandra Bikram Shah, and here it's showing that hey, the result of 6th semester has been live, and first semester also. Those results will be live only that will be seen here. I'm typing BTU number of Chandra 10869. Then Chandra can see his result, full result, because his result has been published, and he can also download his result from here. So this is our project till now.